dear student, welcome in geography class. In previous class you have learned what is the meaning of axis, poles, equator, latitudes, longitudes and hemisphere. So with the reference of the previous class, today we'll discuss our very first chapter, India's size and location. So we'll start with location. India is lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. Equator divides the earth into two equal halves, horizontally northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So the value of latitude is followed by the letter N and S. N means northern hemisphere, S means southern hemisphere. Okay, up to that clear? So the latitudinal extent of Indian mainland. What is the meaning of Indian mainland? The stretch of continuous landmass from the Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh is called as the Indian mainland. So the latitudinal extent of Indian mainland is 8 degree 4 minute north is there, 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Okay, that is 3214 kilometer, 3214 kilometer. Okay, and remember Indian Union latitudinal extension is 6 degree 4 minute north here, Andaman Nicobar Island, to 37 degree 6 minute north here. So the next question is obviously what is Indian Union? So Indian Union means the federation of 28 states with 9 union territories is called as Indian Union. And Indian mainland, the stretch of continuous mainland, from the Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh is called as Indian mainland. Up to that clear? So the next one, longitudinal extension is India is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east, that is 2933 kilometer from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, and that is 2933 kilometer. Now we will discuss this matter in this way. Okay. So the India's latitudinal extension is 37 degree 6 minute north to 8 degree 4 minute north, that is 3214 kilometer. And the longitudinal means the vertical line. This line means the from Gujarat 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east is the longitudinal extension of Indian mainland. Got it? So the horizontal line means the latitudinal extension and that one means the longitudinal extension means the vertical line. So from Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the latitudinal extension is 3214 kilometer, and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, the longitudinal extension is there, the 2933 kilometer. So apart from the equator, there are some other important latitudes, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. But remember, India is having only one important latitude, and this one, Tropic of Cancer. This Tropic of Cancer divides India into two climatic zones. Okay, now we are going to discuss the size one. The landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India is the 7th largest country and occupies only 2.4% of world's total geographical area. India has land frontier, and this one 15,200 kilometer. Total length of the coastline, what is the meaning of coastline? The adjacent part of the coast. Okay, this one the sea and the land, this one the coastline. So the total length of the coastline of mainland including Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep is 7,516.6 kilometer. Okay, India is bounded by the Yangful mountain in the northern side, northwest side and the northeast side. India has 28 states and 9 union territories. I am going to repeat, India has 28 states and 9 union territories. India shared its land boundary with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest part, China, Nepal, Bhutan in the north side, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the northeast side. Two island countries, Sri Lanka and Maldives also are there. Sri Lanka is situated in the southern side and Maldives is situated in the southwest side. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Perk Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Today we will learn one of the most interesting calculation in geography, and that is time calculation. Why do we have different time in different places? Due to the earth rotation from west to east, all places of the earth do not have day and night at the same time, while some places have day and others have night. So the question is that how do we decide which place follow which time? So for this we can take the help of longitude, and you know the definition of longitude. All the vertical line of the earth, imaginary vertical line of the earth, are called as longitude. Longitude will decide which country will follow which time zone. All countries of the world refer to the local time of 0 degree longitude or the prime meridian as the Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, there are 360 degree longitude in the earth. 180 degree to the west of prime meridian and 180 degree are there in the east of prime meridian. So among all the longitude, only 24 has been marked as standard meridian. The longitude at 15 degree intervals are called as standard meridian. 12 standard meridian are in the west side and 12 are in the east side. So remember, all longitude are not called as standard meridian. Okay, so the next question is, what is standard meridian? So the longitude at 15 degree intervals are called as standard meridian. Remember, the next question is that how standard meridian help us to locate time? As we move eastward from the prime meridian, with every standard meridian we have 1 hour addition of time. So if the time is 12 p.m. in prime meridian or Greenwich, then the very first standard meridian, it will be 1 p.m. in the east side. 1 hour addition. Okay, so remember, when we will move from the prime meridian towards west, on that time for every standard meridian time is decreasing. So if it is time just like the in prime meridian time is 12 p.m. or 12 noon, on that time for very first standard meridian in the west side, time will be 11 a.m. Okay, so the places of east of the prime meridian as Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time. Okay, and those to the west will be behind Greenwich Mean Time. So west means subtract hour for every 15 degree longitude, and east means addition of hour for every 15 degree longitude. Got it? So dear student, अगर आप जितना इस साइड पे जाओगे फ्रॉम द प्राइम मेरिडियन, 1 आवर एडिशन होता जाएगा फॉर एवरी 15 डिग्री स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन. जस्ट लाइक 15 डिग्री ईस्ट 1 आवर प्लस, फॉर 30 डिग्री ईस्ट 2 आवर प्लस, फॉर 45 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड और वी कैन से द स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन 3 आवर प्लस. यही रिवर्स इफेक्ट देखा जाएगा इन द वेस्ट साइड. ऑन दैट टाइम फ्रॉम द प्राइम मेरिडियन टूवर्ड्स वेस्ट साइड 1 आवर डिडक्ट होता जाएगा, मीन सब्ट्रैक्ट होता जाएगा. 2 आवर फॉर 45 डिग्री 3 आवर. Okay, got it the concept? A natural question may arise in your mind that why 1 hour for every 15 degree standard meridian we are adding or subtracting. So let us go in the details. You know, Earth takes 24 hours to complete one spin, means Earth rotates its own axis and it takes time 24 hours. Okay, so Earth is equal to 360 degree. Okay, and Earth rotation is equal to 24 hour. Okay, so 24 hour is equal to 360 degree, is it na? Then 1 hour is equal to 360 divided by 24, or we can say 15 degree. So 1 hour for 15 degree. Instead of the 1 hour we can write 60 minute. So 15 degree for 60 minute, is it na? So for 1 degree, 60 divided by 15 means 4 minute. Okay, it is very simple calculation. So only you have to remember 360 degree is equal to 24 hour. Okay, got it? 15 degree is equal to 1 hour. Okay, and 1 degree is equal to 4 minute. Now tell me, if the difference in longitude between any two places is 1 degree, then the difference in time will be 4 minutes. Okay, so the same as it, if the difference in longitude between any two places is 15 degree, then difference in time will be 1 hour. Okay, got it? Now please look at your book, page number 2. Okay, the left side, third paragraph. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Why 2 hours? Look at the map. The latitudinal extension from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, okay, means 68 degree 7 minute, and this one, the Arunachal Pradesh, 97 degree 25 minute. Okay, so 97 degree 25 minute east, and there is 68 degree 7 minute east. So difference between two places almost 29 degree, means round figure it should be 30 degree. So for every 15 degree, time should be 1 hour. For 30 degree, time should be 2 hour for 30 degree. Okay, so the time lag should be 2 hours. Time lag should be 2 hours from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so remember the time along the standard meridian of India, 82 degree 30 minute east, passing through Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh, is taken as the standard time for the whole country. So 82 degree 30 minute east, this longitude has been chosen as our standard meridian. Okay, the latitudinal extent influence the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. Okay, so that's enough for today class. So next class we will discuss the rest of the portion.